After South Africa's challenging transition to democracy, the need to bring about educational reform, particularly within the higher education sector, has been paramount. This has inspired the Technological Higher Education Network South Africa, THENSA, to partner with 6 of its member institutions and a host of EU partners to establish Higher Education Reform Experts South Africa, HERESA, with the help of funding from the Erasmus Programme of the European Union. HERESA is a network of higher education reform experts that support governance, strategic planning and management of higher education institutions in South Africa, so as to shape institutional and also national higher education strategies for learning and teaching in response to labor market and societal needs. Essentially, the project aims to set up a community of practice who share a concern for and can influence the quality and impact of teaching and learning. The project brings together 6 South African universities of technology, the South African Qualifications Authority as the policy partner, European universities, and OBREAL-Global as the coordinating partner. The network is comprised of individuals that have been strategically selected by their institutions given their roles in overseeing, driving, and guiding learning and teaching in their institutions. Together, they represent a network that is designed to catalyze change in the higher education sector. HERESA aims to bring about change in the sector through a series of structured and purposefully designed interventions, which include co-developing and co-delivering training in areas of learning and teaching that speak to the 4th Industrial Revolution, work-integrated learning, competency-based teaching and learning, participatory action research, where the HERES seek to understand the higher education sector by trying to change it collaboratively and through reflection. Dialogue-inspired learning, through conversations on topical issues that influence how we learn and teach to inspire change. The HERES, guided by the South African Qualifications Authority and other national policy actors, aim to bring about institutional and national higher education policy change related to, amongst other things, work-integrated learning, competence-based learning and teaching, and entrepreneurial education. The impact that HERESA has had in terms of bringing about reform within the higher education institutions over the last 3 years has cemented its place in the higher education landscape. HERESA will now look to partner with institutions within the country, regionally, and internationally to ensure that higher education meets the needs of our people and keeps pace with the novel approaches to learning and teaching.